Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to delete your Botim account after the update. So first thing, open your Botim app. Then, as you can see here, click on your profile icon on the top right corner. Then select account settings, and as you can see, they removed the delete button after the update. So all you need to do is go back and go to contact us and send this exact message. I want to delete my account. So as you can see, they will give you an email. Just copy that email and send them an email asking them you want to delete your account, and then follow the instruction. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe in the channel.